There are moments in life that you should just not let pass you by. Today is one of those examples. We are in the midst of a snowstorm in the middle of January. It's about 19 degrees. We've got about 6 or 7 inches of snow. And what are we going to do? We're going to cook on an open fire. Let's get started. First things first, let's clear off this area. We got it prepped last night before the snow started, so we should have a good clean surface to work with. There she is, baby. All ready to go. We're going to light it up, and this is going to be so cool. All right, let that crank. Start getting the wood gathered around to warm up. So what do we have? We've got layers of wood underneath. We've got lump hardwood charcoal, and then we got the chimney starter filled up with lump hardwood charcoal. So that's going to get blazing. We're going to lay the bed of coals out on top of the wood. The wood's going to start to burn. It's going to start to smolder, create a nice little smoke. Then we're going to dump a couple of additional fresh lump hardwood charcoal bits on top, get that fire cranking, throw our grate on, and we're going to sear our whole pork loin. And here's how we prep the pork loin. A little shot here of the charcoal going. Well, you know, they have Christmas in July. Now we got summer in January. All right, let's get those coals dumped. Put our grate on, directly on there. Let that burn down for a bit. There we go. So just like we do in the fireplace, we're gonna be able to test the temperature of the grate, make sure it's at proper searing temperature. Let's give it a quick test right now. So remember, about 4 inches above the grate, 1,000, oh boy. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, hi-ho-wee. Okay, we're good. That's hot. That's probably 550 degrees to 600, that 2-second count. So it's just a wee bit hot right now. So let's give it a minute to calm down. Let's season this bear up. Again, we got the Montreal steak seasoning, great value generic brand, some rosemary. It's already been salted, so we don't have to add any more salt. Let's flip it over. Season this side first. We're going to sear the fat side down first. And our fire is taming down a bit, so that's good. And do the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Pat that in a little bit. Let's add a little bit more on the end. All right. Okay, and then let's do this final side here. Gonna do about a minute on each of the 4 sides. We're gonna do our temperature test here. And remember, a few minutes ago, it was a bit hot, probably like 550 to 600. So let's check it out again. Ready? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. All right. Tone down a little bit. I think we're at about 400 to 450. I think we're ready to put this on and give it a char. Is just take it like this and just plop it on. Oh, all right, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. This is exciting. Move the camera around a little bit here because it's definitely worth it. Look at that shot. Grilling in the snow, baby. Grilling in the snow. Gut smokehouse style. Beautiful. All right, let's give it a flip. It's be a bit challenging. Oh. Ha ha ha. Woof, look at that. Whew. Oh, that's beautiful. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do when we roast it. It's going to be pretty cool. Let's give it another twist. On the side for a minute. I'm going to show you a little trick for roasting this until it comes to temp. Let's turn it to the other side. There. All right, I'm going to put it back on its non-skin side. Now watch this. I'm going to take our prongs. I'm going to lift the grate up, actually. All right. And I'll set this here for a minute. Put 2 blocks there. Actually, put another one on top. Get that up a bit higher. Now, place this back on here. Okay. And in order to keep the heat in, cover it up. And if we need to, we can throw some snow in there if we want to turn the fire down. So I'm going to poke a hole through here and just see what we're running at. And I'm going to throw a little snow over here. Okay. There we go. And that's how we control the temperature. Old school. Nothing like it. Yeah, about 400 in there, so I'm going to tone that down a little more. Now we're down to about 300. Do a quick temperature check here. They're at 52, 50 degrees, 50. Now I'm going to insert the meter plus. I'll put that in the thickest part here at an angle. Oops. Our construction has fallen. Not to worry. All part of the experience. All right, let's put our oven lid back on. So once it hits 135 to 140, we'll pull it out, keep it warm till dinner. All right, coming back to check on things. Hero and me. There we are, cranking away yet. We're at about 120, and it's looking pretty incredible. Pop the lid and just see what we're dealing with there. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing. Boom. So, what to do here? Let's do this. Take our tongs, get underneath. Let's set this puppy down there. Looky that, looky that, look at that. Well, let's see how we did here. Look at that. That really looks incredible. We cut right in the middle. We took all the strings off, so don't forget to do that. Cut right in the middle and see what it looks like. There we are. Beautiful. Even has a smoke ring on it. Gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice. That's beautiful. Wow. All right, let's give it a try. And some of its juices. Fantastic. Wow. Like crazy good. That's it from Gut Smokehouse today. Hope you enjoyed our episode on our winter series. Grilling and chilling in a snowstorm. See you soon.